In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Slack group in just 5 minutes. Slack has become an essential tool for workplace communication and collaboration, and knowing how to set up a group can really enhance your team's productivity. So, let's dive right in and get you all set up. First things first, you need to head over to Slack's website. You can find the link in the description below. Once you're there, you'll see the homepage for Slack, which houses all of their AI-driven work management and productivity tools. If you already have a Slack account, you're going to want to sign in. But if you haven't signed up yet, take a minute to set up your account. It's pretty straightforward and just requires your basic information. For those of you who already have a Google account and prefer a seamless login process, clicking sign in with Google at the top right can save you some time. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Slack dashboard. This is essentially the hub where all the action takes place. From here you can easily access any workspaces you're part of or create new ones. In this case, we're going to look at how you can begin forming a group by utilizing the direct messaging feature, because groups often start from direct one-on-one conversations. On the left hand side of your dashboard, you'll notice a column. Here you're going to click on DMs or direct messages. This section will show you all the conversations you've had on Slack. Now we're going to take this further by expanding into a group. Look for the Add Coworkers option, which is nestled conveniently at the top of your DMs list. Clicking this will allow you to start forming your group. You'll be prompted with an interface where you can search for coworkers by their names or email addresses. Select the individuals you want to include in your group chat. A quick tip here, try thinking of the potential scope and purpose of your group. Whether it's for a project, department, or casual discussions, having a clear goal can be invaluable. Once you've added all desired members, hit the create button. Your new group is now live, ready for dynamic conversations and collaborations. Here's a bonus tip. Think about making use of Slack's wonderful range of inclusions like threads, which help keep discussions organized, and the ability to share files and integrate with other apps to maximize productivity. And there you have it. In just a few quick steps, you've created your very own Slack group. By leveraging this simple yet powerful tool, you can significantly boost communication and streamline work processes with your team. Feel free to explore more features, and as always, happy slacking.